regulation of transformer. Basically, we can define regulation means change in voltage with respect to the no load voltage. For example, regulation is equal change in voltage from no load to full load. That is indicated with V0 to no load to full load. With respect to, we can take no load or full load. Here I am taking full load. It means, for example, in our domestic, you will get how much voltage? 230. Sometimes you may get 220 also. 230 minus 220 by 220. It is voltage regulation. Change in voltage regulation. If you want to get efficiency, you should multiply with 100. Clear? Now I am drawing equivalent circuit diagram. Refer to secondary side. Refer to secondary side, that is R02 resistance in secondary, refer to the secondary, and reactive impedance, refer to the secondary. Now here the no load voltage is V02, it is equal to K into V1. It is nearly equal to 230, I am assuming 230. Now you will get how much voltage here? V2. It is full load voltage, no load voltage, and then full load voltage. Can I write 230 minus 10? You will get 220. I am assuming how much current is flowing? I2. Now, first to determine the voltage regulation, I am taking full load voltage value how much? V2. It is taking as a reference. Due to the inductive and resistive parameter, the current should be lag. Current should be lag. There is a voltage drop here. How much? I2 into I2 into R02. These two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel. Voltage plus voltage. Due to this parameter H02, you will get 90 degrees phase shift. This value is equal to, try to understand, I2 X02. 220 plus 5 plus 5. You will get the total voltage how much? What is the total voltage? V02. To get the V02 value, I am assuming 0 to A. Here, this point I am taking B. This point I am taking C. Is that clear? What is the value of 0 to A? V2. And A to B? I to R02. B to
I to X02.
and I am extending this line. Here I am taking D. Here D, and up to this is E. Clear? And if I extend this is F. Here I am taking G. I would like to determine the no load voltage V02. In the above equation, assuming OC is equal to OE, try to understand, OC is equal to OE. This value is equal to, tell me, OA plus AD plus DE. Can I write OA plus AD plus DE? Is that clear? Now, the angle between this line and this line is phi 2. We already know this is phi 2. These two lines are parallel. This angle also phi 2. We know this is 90 degrees. That is 90. Now tell me what is this angle? 90 minus pi. 90 minus pi. And the angle between these two is 90 degrees. We already know J X2 is should be 90 degrees with respect to this current. After getting this, here this value also pi 2. If this is pi 2, now anyone tell me what is this angle? 90 minus pi 2. Try to understand. To get this, now tell me what is OA value? V2 plus. To get the AD value, I am drawing this circuit separately. A, D, and this is B. We know this is phi 2. We know this value how much hypotenuse I 2 R02. Now can anyone tell me what is the x value? Can I write cos phi 2 is equal adjacent by hypotenuse R02. I want x is equal to I2 R02 cos phi 2. This x is nothing but AD. AD value how much we got? I2 R02 cos phi 2. Clear? Okay, from this portion I am drawing separately this triangle. In this triangle it is D, and it is already we know x2, I2, x02. From this triangle what is sin phi 2? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite value is D, and the hypotenuse is x2, x02, I2, x02. Can I write from that place? What is D value? X, I2, x02 sin phi 2. Final equation that V02 you got. Tell me V2 plus I2 R02 cos phi 2 plus I2 x02 sin phi 2. We want voltage regulation. Tell me V02 minus V2 by V2. Can you substitute this value here? V2. This V2 will get cancelled out. Minus. Finally, you will get I2 R02 cos phi 2 plus I2 x02 sin phi 2 by V2. It is the voltage regulation. In the problem, they will give the power factor. From the power factor, you can determine the sin phi 2 also. And in the problem, they will give R02, X02, and I2 also given in the problem. You can easily determine the regulation of the transformer. Then, the angle between voltage and this current is phi 2. If it is phi 2, it is also you will get phi 2. If it is phi 2, the total angle is 90. You will get 90 minus phi 2. If it is 90 minus phi 2, it is 90. What angle you will get? 2. Clear? If it is phi 2, it is also phi 2. When the two parallel lines are cut by the straight line, you will get the same angles. And it is 90 minus phi 2. There you will get the phi 2. Leading power factor, you will get this value minus. Sin of minus theta, you will get minus value. Sin of plus theta, you will get plus value. This formula used for the leading power factor, this formula used for the lagging power factor. Now, in the previous we derived regulation. The regulation is equal to I2 R02 cos phi 2 and plus I2 x02 sin phi 2. This value should be equal to 0 for 0 voltage regulation. Clear? When will it occur? Now equating them to 0. Can I write I2 R02 cos phi 2 is equal to, can I write minus I2 x02 sin phi 2? Can I write like this? I want power factor where you will get the regulation is equal to 0. Sin phi 2 by cos phi 2, what you will get? Tan phi 2. Tan phi 2, then it is equal to, cancel out this I2 and I2. What you will get? R02 minus x02. I want only power factor. Tan inverse of the angle between the voltage and current is equal to tan inverse of minus R02 and x02. Here negative indicates leading power factor. Here negative indicate leading power factor. Next, the second condition is to get the maximum voltage regulation, we should differentiate with respect to the phi 2 of regulation is equal 0. We know regulation formula I naught I2 R02. Tell me, cos phi 2 plus I2 X02 sin phi 2. This should be differentiated with respect to d by d phi 2 and equate them to 0. Now anyone tell me differentiation of cos phi 2? I2 R02 differentiation of this value is equal to minus sin phi 2 plus this value I2 X02 cos phi 2 0. Can I take this value to right hand side? Minus we will get plus. Can I write I2 R02 sin phi 2 is equal I2 X02 cos phi 2. I want only phi 2 value. Sin by cos you will get tan phi 2 and this I2 will get cancelled. X02 by R02. I want only angle. The angle equal to tan inverse of X02 by R02. You will get maximum regulation at only where we will get lagging power factor. To voltage regulation, there is a two condition. One is condition for the zero regulation. When you will get the zero regulation, the angle between the voltage and current is equal tan inverse of minus R02 by X02. It will occur only when leading power factor. If you connect the leading load, capacitive load, then only you will get the voltage regulation 0. And second condition for the maximum regulation, when it will occur the phi 2 value is equal to tan inverse of X02 by R02. It will occur only in case of lagging power factor. I hope all of you understand. If you like the video, share, subscribe and like.